Hey creators, welcome back to Learn with Cece. Let's talk about something very important. Did you know that using the same stock images and videos everyone else is using can actually hurt your content and even put you at risk of copyright issues or content saturation? That's why today I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI to generate your own unique high-quality stock videos for your content for free. Yes, instead of reusing overused clips, you can now create fresh, original visuals that make your content stand out and stay safe. With Canva AI, you can generate custom video scenes, create unique visuals for your niche, avoid copyright problems, and make your content look more professional. This is a game changer for faceless creators, especially if you're posting on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. So if you want to create original content that stands out and doesn't get lost in the crowd, then this tutorial is for you. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'll show you step by step how to create your own AI stock videos using Canva. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get started.
So to create this, we'll be using Canva to generate these stock videos, these AI stock videos. Why this is very important is that it avoids, it helps you to avoid copyright strike when you are using stock videos, okay, for your content. So a lot of people get restriction or violation when they use stock images or stock videos for their content. So I will be showing you how to do this on Canva, and you will be able to generate your own, which no other person have used. So the AI will generate it for you. All right, so go to your browser or your app store, Play Store, and download canva.com. okay, when you come to Canva, come to the home button, and when you came to the home button of Canva, you look out for videos. Okay, select videos. Here it will show you different aspect ratio you can use. Are you creating a YouTube video or you're creating mobile version? Okay, in this tutorial I will be going for YouTube videos. Okay, you select that, and that will open on Canva interface. Okay, the video platform, the editing platform will open. When it opens, it will open this way. All right, on the left hand side you will see different features that Canva offers. All right, go ahead and look out for a feature called Magic Media. This one, Magic Media. If you can't find Magic Media on your Canva, click on apps, okay, and search for Magic Media. Then you'll be able to install it on your Canva. Okay, so open up the Magic Media. When you open it up, you will see that this Magic Media, you can use it to generate images, you can use it to generate graphics, and also videos, and also 3D. So Canva have just introduced the 3D ones if that's also what you want to use it for your content. All right, here we'll be leaving it on video, and you can see there is a box here where it will ask you to describe your words. All right, I already have the prompts I want to use for this particular content, so all I have to do is just to go ahead and copy the prompt and paste it in. So the prompt I have here is a cinematic ocean wave roaring. Okay, that's the prompt I have. Once you've pasted in the prompt, or you can use Canva AI to also inspire you. Okay, if you don't know what to, if you can click on the inspire, it will also give you a prompt. All right, so making it very, very easy. And when you've instead in the prompt you need, you just click on generate video, allow it to generate. Okay, Canva is telling you to take 1 to 2 minutes. It can be fast. All right, it's not that slow. Remember, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials like this. So the video is generating. So the video is ready here. You can see it on the okay, once you tap on it, it will appear on your Canva timeline. Okay, then you click on the second plus sign here to add another page on there. Okay, add another blank page. This is how you will do it. Add blank pages so that you'll be able to create multiple scenes. Okay, so let's watch this and see how it appears here. You can see how beautiful that is. All right, this is so beautiful. So once you've generated this helps you to avoid copyright with stock videos and stock images. You can always use Canva to create all this. So let's create the second video. So your second one, just scroll down on the left hand side and click on clear. When you click on clear, you paste in your prompt. It will allow you to generate multiple videos you will use for this content. Okay, although the maximum is 5 seconds, you can also duplicate this if that's what you want. You just tap on it. Okay, right click and click on duplicate if you want to duplicate that particular scene to make it 10 seconds at least. All right, so that's how you will do that. You allow this to generate. It is generating on this side. Once it is ready, it will appear on this screen here. You will look at it to see if it's something you like or you want to make some changes. So this one is a forest scene. Okay, I'll just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will appear on here, all right, on the timeline. So let's watch it and see. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful and it looks so natural. Okay, the same thing we do for our third prompt. Remember, I'm creating this for a relaxation content. Okay, that's why I need the stock background in videos. All right, so I will just, this one is just like a raindrop sliding down glass window, velocity, and that's what I will just click on generate. Okay, you can have different prompts, different ideas, things you need, or you can move things around. You can move things around in between the editing timeline of Canva. Okay, you can move things around, allow it to just to reflect different scenes. So this is ready as well. You tap on it to appear on the timeline here, and let's see how it looks. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. All right, you can go ahead, as I said, to duplicate this particular scene if you want it to appear like 10 seconds. Remember, it gives you like a bit of 5 seconds minimum. Okay, then you go ahead and keep generating your scenes. So next we paste in the prompt, and this one is kind of a candle, gentle candle, single lit candle. So we click on generate. Let's just see how it comes out. You can see how clear these videos are, very clear and very, very smooth. Okay, there's no distortion anywhere, so you don't need to go and stress yourself looking for stock videos. Why Canva will give you unlimited generation, and that will instantly appear on your video editing timeline. So this is this one. Let's check it out. The candle one. This is beautiful. Okay, go ahead and paste in your next prompt. Okay, this one is a night sky. So look out for very good visuals you will use for this content. Create those scenes. So this is beautiful, the night sky. So you tap on it, it will come. I think you come over here. It will, once you touch on it, tap on it, it will appear on the timeline, okay, of Canva. Then this is it. You can go ahead and just duplicate it to how many scenes you want, just to make your video a bit longer. Here it asks to add audio. You can add audio, or you can add AI audio, or you can impute your own audio to the content. All right, once you're done with everything, you will click on share here. Then here you will see download. Okay, click on download and you will download that as MP4. Okay, make sure you download it as MP4 and you click on download, and that will save to your device. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and leave comments down below if you have any other AI tool you would like me to experiment for.